This is the Hart Pendant voice recorder with noise cancellation. It's a discrete voice recorder meant for capturing conversations without drawing attention. When you purchase the Hart Pendant audio recorder, it comes with an instruction manual, a data transfer cable, a pair of headphones, and the recorder necklace itself. To operate the device, all you do is flip the switch to the other side. You'll see the red LED blink indicating that it's begun recording, and then you flip it back to the other side to end your recording. This device can record for 20 hours in both continuous and voice activation mode. To review your files, plug in the data transfer cable and plug that end into your computer or your smartphone. When you plug it into your computer, it'll pop up in your files as a removable drive. When you click the record folder, that'll open up to view and save all your audio recordings. When you click the factory text file, that's going to be all the different settings that you can change on this device. You have voice activated level, denoise level, automatic gain level, bitrate, standard gain, recording length, date, time, timed recording, cycle recording, LED, and language. Once you're done adjusting the settings to your liking, click Save and then close out the text document. Your settings will automatically upload to the device once ejected and a new voice recording has begun. Now let's take a look at a quality demonstration in our showroom. I'm going to set it on the table here and give you all a couple different demonstrations at different distances. This is a demonstration at 5 feet. This is a demonstration around 10 feet away. I'm still talking at a normal speaking volume, indoor voice. We do have some fans overhead. This is about 20 feet away. I'm still talking at the same volume I was. About 50 decibels is a normal speaking volume. What's unique about this product is it comes with noise canceling. It's really meant to be worn on your body as a piece of jewelry. So now I'm going to hang it on my wrist. I'm going to walk around a little bit so you can get a picture of how that works. So here we go, I'm walking around. I just want to make sure I keep talking so you can get a good picture of how this audio is going to come out nice and clear. It has a setting where you can change it from 0 to 30 depending on the amount of noise reduction you want. Keep in mind, when you do turn this up more, your noise does get dampened, kind of like you're in a tunnel. That's going to be true with any type of noise cancellation software. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-292-7748. If you want to check out this product or others like it, visit our website, spycenter.com.